Hi, I'm Michelle Pilley, the Managing Director at Hay House UK. As a publisher, I meet so many people who tell me that they want to write a book because they have an important message to share. They know there are people in the world who need to hear that message. They have their own unique experience and expertise, and they want to get that out into the world. Deep down, these people know that the world would be a better place with their message in it. That desire to serve, that desire to spread that message is what inspires them to write. To many of you, I'm guessing this sounds familiar. Maybe you're going through the same journey. I want to tell you that you don't need to feel overwhelmed, and you definitely don't need to feel like you're going through this alone. Your book might still be just an idea. Maybe you've started writing your book or even finished it, but you need that inside scoop on how to get published. We know how hard it can be to break into the publishing industry and get your book published. So Hay House started the Writers' Workshop as a way to share our first-hand knowledge of the publishing industry and help more aspiring authors like yourselves get their book out into the world. At our Writers' Workshop, you will get the very latest information and advice on the UK publishing industry, including how to find an agent, the difference between traditional publishing and self-publishing, and how to write the perfect book proposal, and so much more. I have 30 years experience in the UK publishing industry, and I'll share with you how to nail a publishing deal. This year, I'll be joined by Reed Tracy, the CEO of Hay House in the US, who has signed hundreds of prominent authors over the years and published countless bestsellers. Reed's advice and insights on approaching publishers and submitting your book proposal will be invaluable. We also have the wonderful best-selling author Robert Holden, who'll be teaching a masterclass where he'll share the essential practices and skills that have helped him make a living as a writer. Robert says, writing is a dare. It's an act of courage, a form of activism that sends more love, wisdom, and hope out into our world. We all really want to help support you to have the courage to take that first step and put your words out into the world. I've published countless authors over my 30 years in the publishing industry, and I've seen so many people's lives expand when they make that choice to follow their calling. Why not listen to that voice within you, urging you to take that leap and fulfill your soul's work? At Hay House, we feel so strongly about this that one participant is guaranteed a €5,000 advance and a publishing contract with Hay House. We are so thrilled to be bringing the Writers' Workshop to Dublin for the first time on the 27th and 28th of April. We can't wait to meet all of you wonderful storytellers, teachers, healers and coaches. Why not join us and let us help you make your dream of becoming a successful published writer into a reality? I really hope to see you there.